Alright guys, today we're gonna dine at Mercury here at the Dreams Jade. I'm trying out the sampler, which is the scallops. I want to try that right now, okay? Wow, that is really good. That's actually better than I was expecting. Definitely recommend us trying this out. Easily 8.7.
And I ordered the salmon and a glass of espresso martini, and I'm gonna try how good it is. It's very fresh, so let's try it. It's very fresh. I give it a 10.
Alright, so next we're trying the onion soup. I was hoping for some cheese on top. Oh, it smells really good though. This might be better than I was expecting, so let's try it out. I feel like it has a little bit of soy sauce. Really good. 7.8. Yeah, really good.
And I ordered for the second course potato soup. Let's see if it is delicious as it looks. Very good, very creamy and tasty.
Alright, so this is the entree. This is their beef order. I'm gonna try it out, okay? It was really good. Not crazy about the blue cheese, but the beef is fantastic. Perfect medium rare. Good, great with a good Merlot. Yeah, definitely come check this place out. It's so good.
And as my main dish, I ordered the shrimp, and it looks very delicious. Let's try it. The way it looks. They're very good with the creamy sauce. Fantastic. And I ordered a glass of Sauvignon Blanc, which is perfect for pairing this seafood. It's also very good.